Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to ShapeKeyGen for iClone. This Blender add-on that allows you to generate iClone expression that you can export from Blender to iClone and then use it for facial motion capture. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can use this add-on. Hi, hello everybody, I'm back. Wow, yeah, wow. You can make EyeBlink talk and everything will seem working fine. So let's start. When you download the add-on from the camera, the add-on will come like this: ShapeKeyGen Iclone CC4 version. Just select it and extract it. You see, extract it first and let's extract here. Now let's open the folder. I'm going to copy here as address. You see we have two files inside, which animation Python file and then the ShapeKeyGen Iclone CC file. So let's go to Blender, edit, preference, and click on here, install. And I'm going to paste the link here to here. Now the first thing you have to do is select the ShapeKeyGen Iclone CC4 zip file and click on install from Dex. Once you click on it, you see it extract into your Blender add-on folder. And let's go here and install again. And now let's paste the same address. And now we are going to choose this one, animation to CC4, trace the Python file and click on install. Once you click, you see the add-on appear, which is will be enabled by itself. So the add-on will appear on animation tab, which is here. So I'm going to explain how you can use all this, and finally to prepare your scene, export, and then you can export into iClone and use it. The first thing we have to do is this add-on work with a character that has been rigged with AutoRig or MetaRig, also your own custom rig card. Okay, so here this character has been rigged with Rigify. Let me go to post mode and let me test everything for you. And now you can see the jaw is open well and the eyes is moving. Okay, you can make the eye blink, but you can see making eye blink for this character look hard. Okay, you see this one, the eyebrows is passing through. So when you generate the shape key, this is how it's going to look, and we'll fix it later. Okay, so I'll show you how we can work with it. So let's start. So the first thing you have to do is select your character rig, which is the rig you used to rig the character. Okay, and let's go here. And here we have source rig. Okay, if your character is rigged with Regify, choose MetaRig. If it's rigged with AutoRig, choose the source rig as AutoRig. So this one I use AutoRig, so I will choose the AutoRig one. And the next thing you have to do is click on rename. Make sure your character rig has been selected. Click on it, and you see your character rig going to change, and the target rig is going to choose this one. Okay, this one as your target rig. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to register all my faces objects here, which is the body, the eye, the left eye. So when I add them, I'll hide it. Right eye. If you have eyelash, you can register all of them and everything. So the next thing I'm going to do is select your character rig and click on transfer animation and hit OK. Once you click on OK, when you go to a timeline, so you can see there's keyframe with marker. So every keyframe, every marker represents what's blend shapes, its blend shape. Okay, the marker and the keyframe, and the marker represent the blend shapes name. Okay, you see frame 10 we call it eye blink left, frame 20 is eye look down, frame 30 is eye left look right. Okay, so when you play the animation, you can see the character is doing so. Okay, so here if you see your character expression is very low, like the way the eyes is moving, you want to increase the strength. For example, you can see the eyes is not closing well. Okay, it's not closing well. You can multiply the expression by a volume. For AutoRig, make sure you multiply all the location. For Regify, multiply the location and rotation. Leave the scale one alone, don't change it. If you want to increase the volume, you have to multiply by a value more than 1. If you want to decrease the expression, you have to make it lower than 1. Okay, so here I want to increase the expression, so I'm going to make it 1. Let's say 1.5. okay, so here, and I click on apply. And once I click apply, you can see the eye blink go down. Okay, so let me play. Now you can see the eyes or the expression move further than before. You can see. This is cool. So we are going to generate the expression. After we generate the expression, we have three expressions we have to look to fix, which is the eye look left and the eye look right and the jaw open. That's the only expression we need to fix after we generate the shape key. So the next thing we are going to do is, once you can also go to post mode, select AutoRig, and go to post mode. When you go to post mode, you can manually check some of the rig. Okay, like this one is called the eye blink left, so you can just adjust the bones to make the eye close where, like how you want it. Okay, for example, you can just manually tweak it, so only the only the eye blink and the jaw open is the problem you need to fix, only that. Okay, so I'm going to select all and insert key. So I'll look for eye blink right, which is on frame 80, and I'm going to fix that one too. Okay, so like this. I think this one's look cool. After we generate, we can go to scope mode and fix this. Now let's go to jaw open, which is this one, frame 180. And we can see the teeth is what passing here, so we can go to post mode again and we can adjust the teeth. Okay, so that's only blend shape you need to fix. Okay, so I'm going to select the teeth, move it up, and then scale it down small like this. So let's select all and I to insert key. So the rest is okay. Now we are going to generate this shape key. Let me go timeline, and now let's go to generate shape key. You can also move through the market by clicking on here to jump market to test all your blend shapes. Okay, so when I click on it, you can see we have markets name here. This eye blink left, so anytime I click on it, you can see it will jump to another marker. You see this look pretty good. Okay, so now we go back to here, and I'm going to generate the shape key. Click on and select your character rig and see we don't have any shape key here for the eye, for the body. None of them have the shape, so click on generate shape keys, and let's wait for Blender to convert all these keyframes into shape keys. Okay, now it is done. You can see it's not using the icon expressions name. Okay, so to do so, just click on make icon expressions. Once you click on it, you can see all your shape keys names are going to convert into this. It's good for all of the objects inside this collection. Okay, you can see they don't have any shape key because we did not register it here. Okay, because we don't have to add any shape key for the head. So once we generated it, select your character rig and click on clean rig. This will delete all the keyframes and the markers from your rig. Okay, now let's go and test our blend shape. So here we have eye blink. So I told you earlier we need to fix the eye blink after we generated the shape key. Okay, so I'm going to fix the eye blink left. So only the eye blink left and right and jaw open is the only problem you need to fix manual after you generated it. Okay, so here I'll go to scope mode, and then I will not use mirror. Okay, let me go to smooth, and I'm going to smooth this one a little. Okay, so I'm going to move here back a little so that they don't include. So let me, okay, this look good. So let me go to eye blink right, and let me fix that one. So I'm going to smooth one. Now it's okay. So let's go to jaw open. Also it's okay, because if you select this one and you set that one, it's also open. you will now see it's not passing through the jaw again. Okay, so let's set them to 0, 0. Now this one look good. After you did everything like this, now you're good to go and export this one into Iclone, okay, or character creator. So let's go. So I'm going to press B for box select and select all of this, okay, and let's go here. So I'm going to prepare this. So after you have generated it, if you want your own special way to export your character from Blender to character creator without using the blend shapes or without the textures meshing, you can skip this part and use your own method. If you don't know, you can use this. Okay, so select all your objects, okay, and click on prepare scene. When you click prepare scene, this will delete the amateur modifier from your character, because you are not going to use, it's not going to recognize your amateur. Okay, you need to rig your character again in character creator. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see the shape key left and all the vertex group has been removed, so left with this character alone. So the next thing is select it again and click prepare for export, prepare material for export. So once you click on it, it will prepare your material for export, and then click on arrange UVs. Once you click on arrange UVs, you are going to export to any other software. Choose measurement. You are going to export to character creator, then choose character creator. For measurement settings, it will export, you can able to export into any software. Okay, this will prepare your UV to able to export into another software without any machine texture tool. Okay, so this tool is very important. Okay, prepare for export and arrange UVs. So here I want to export it to character creator, so I'll choose character creator 4 and export. So UV adjust for selected objects. Okay, and the next thing I'll do is export Fbx. I'm going to export to this folder. Okay, and then let's export Fbx. Okay, we have it here. Now let's go and import this into character creator 4. So let's go here. Okay, let's go to file, import, and let's paste the link here, and this is the Fbx file. So double click on it, choose, and apply. So one thing you have to know is that if your character is having subdivision modifier on, you need to apply the subdivision modifier first before you come here and generate your shape keys. Okay, because you can export character with subdivision on as Fbx. If you're okay, and also if you have a character with blend shapes and you need to apply this, it won't work. So you need to make sure you apply your subdivision, or this one, if there is subdivision on, I don't like the subdivision, so here the subdivision didn't export. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so here I'm now going to rig it inside character creator 4. So here when you go to Windows and we have modify, once we click on modify, we have AutoRig here, so just click on it and let's click on create guys. Okay, so make sure you have AutoRig also installed. That one is free, so you can manually align this one, and then let's click on generate skeleton. If the number of fingers you have, choose it here. So I'm going to generate skeleton. Let's wait for it to generate. Now after it has been generated, now we have something like this. We can always go and check this. So I'm going to disable midpoint placement, and we can adjust this. Okay, so adjust this one so it aligns where is. Let's click on bind skin. Now your character has been successfully bind to the rig, and uncheck this. Okay, and then let's remove this one. Okay, so let's go and test it with animation. So I have my custom animation here. Okay, so here I'm going to load animation, go to moves, okay, catwalk. Let me choose catwalk and test if the animation is working here. Now our character animation work well in character creator. Okay, let's go and import the facial expression. Okay, so here let's go to Windows and go to facial profile edit. Click on this, edit expressions, and now let's go here, import, and here let's go to paste this one where you export your Fbx file. This and click on open, and it's going to check through this Fbx if there is a blend shape in, and I'm going to import it. I can see it has import all the blend shapes here, so make sure you check this. Replace all sliders with the same name because it's going to place here. Okay, and click on OK. Once you click on OK and click on this, you can see we have browse raise. You see we have EyeBlink right. If you find that some of the shape key don't look right, what you have to do, go to Blender, check that blend shape, like let's say EyeBlink, this. You want to check it. Okay, you want to check it like so. Here if you check this one, you can see this part is also moving. Okay, so I'm going to fix it and export it again. Okay, so let me go here. I'm going to select all these parts. Okay, the part don't want that part to be moved with that then shapes. So this, okay, let me remove this part and press Alt V and click blend from shape key and choose add and click on add, and this will remove that part from that blend shape. Okay, so now we see. So let me go sculpt mode and face this one. So here select all again and use B, select all them, export Fbx, and then we are going to export the same folder. Then let's go here and then let's import Fbx again to that file again. Okay. And then let's replace it. Now you see it has jumped. So now we go to EyeBlink. We can just set it and see this one look cool. So you can always go back to Blender, fix the blend shape that is not looking right, and then you can fix it. Okay, so once we have this, okay, we can export this into icon, okay, for your expression. So now let's go. So here I'll go to file, export avatar. Okay, let me go export. Here I'm going to export into that folder and then default, so I'm going to call it Aya and export it. So you have this Aya avatar here. So let's go to Iclone and then go to import, go to the same folder and let's import the Aya file. Okay, so now you have it here. So I'm going to test the facial expression for you to see. So all you need is a Wi-Fi, and then connect your PC Wi-Fi to your it. So I'm going to say here I'm using just now connect my iPhone Wi-Fi to it. So make sure they're all sharing the same router. Okay, so connect your PC to that Wi-Fi and connect your iPhone to that Wi-Fi. And here I'm going to go to Apple Store and download LiveFace. So here I'm going to type IP address I have on my phone, which is 192. So once I'm going to check this one and choose LiveFace and mark it. Okay, so let's click on this and voila, it has connected. So let's click on preview, and okay. Hi, hello everybody, I'm back. Wow, yeah, wow. You can make EyeBlink talk and everything will seem working fine. Finally, you can raise the eyebrows. If you see the brow is not raising high, you can go to Strength and go to Brows hello. So let me make auto blink chart. So I can go to max and remove the eye. Okay,